And the last one we'll talk about is the rebirth. Now this is one that I think is, again, sort of a similar story to be able to show that there is this other path when things don't always work out. And so in this case, again, your hero falls under the shadow of a dark power. Things originally are going really well. Things are thinking that they're going very well in this case. Eventually, though, this deal that you've struck, this sort of evil structure covers you, and the dark power seems to win, and then eventually someone comes in, a redemption figure comes in and saves the day, and the hero is reborn a better person. So there's almost this moment where your hero has some help that comes in and saves them in that way. So they're on a path that's sort of not the right path, and they get support and help along the way. And again, this can be a good one to sort of show where things, again, are not going super well, but something happened to sort of change things as they go. Again, you can demonstrate that you can learn from others to make the right choice. Again, you may not have been on the right path, but thankfully a board member or a partner or something you heard came and saved the day. So again, these are the sort of 7 parts that we're going to do.